working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in this video was just a brief get ready with me. I recolored, I reconditioned, deep conditioned and recolored my leave out, and then I washed my hair. It's probably due for another wash, but I'll do that probably this weekend. I just like to keep it fresh because I don't go nowhere near my bed with my hair from outside, so it stays tied once I enter that area. So I'll rewash it just so that I can get some content in the bed and stuff like that. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Hey loves, in today's video, I'll be just adding in a few pieces. I recently washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I also colored my leave out. So that was supposed to be in this video, but it was a short form content, so I wasn't able to put that in. But I will show you how I am going to add those pieces in, because I just feel like every time I wrap my hair, it just moves how my tracks lay, and it's very aggravating. So I'm going to try my best to just add a few pieces in this video. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the end with a bit of skincare that I'll be doing in this video. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching, and if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, I have on the old lady red lipstick because I'm an old lady, but that's a lip tint. It just makes me look a little bit alive. Never thought I would be here, but I'm here. Okay, so here, like when I comb my hair on top, it don't feel like flawless. So I'm about to put another piece right here, and then I think I'm gonna put 2 pieces on each side. So that's what I'm about to do, just because like after you wear your hair and you tie it down every night, like those tracks move, and so my leave out is enough. It's just this doesn't feel as seamless, or like when I comb over it, I mean, it looks good, but you can kind of see like that thing there. So I'm just gonna put another track here. That's it. And then I'm just gonna take my hair out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make the track go back. It's just probably gonna be right there. And then let's see on this side, when I comb my hair, do I get that same issue? This side, no, as you can see, not so much. But then I do want to add some hair on this side, so that's what I'm about to do. And then I'm just gonna pull all the rest of it back so that I can sew it down. Weeks later, and I'm still adding hair. Things I never really do. I do it, but not this far out. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna get the hair out the way, and then I'm just gonna add a couple tracks to that area. I really wanted to come way more over here. For some reason, I can never get a track to come that close. They all be way back here. Like, why? Because there's no hair there. And so these are the TikTok sets that are viral, and when I tell you I'm obsessed with these sets, yeah, I'm a little ashy under that, but I'm obsessed with these sets. They're so seamless, so cute. So I already did, like, I washed my face, I did my skincare, and I'm just gonna take my hair down. Like I told y'all, this is my little hack. I use a stocking cap. I don't use anything else because I need not one hair out of place to keep me from having to, I just turned the exposure down a little, keep me from having to worry about my hair I'm gonna put on some hyaluronic acid first. I'm in the middle of, and yeah, someone's in the shower. I'm in the middle of doing my daughter's room, like redoing her room, like getting her out of her. I think she got, like, the furniture that's in the room she's in now was the same furniture she used or had. She was turning 11, and so it's like her pre-teen room. And so this will be more or less like her teen room. And so that's what I'm in. And when I tell you I'm at the point where I'm doing the rug. And because we have unfinished concrete floors, it's like hard to figure out what I want to be on the floor. Like what, I know what kind of rug I want on the floor, but I'm probably gonna go with what's in my cart. I'm probably gonna go with what's in my cart anyway. But I just wanna like view all my options. So I'm on my way to Home Depot. I already did vitamin C. I'm just doing some hyaluronic acid. And then I recently bought, oh, I have a pimple right here. I recently got some, that's probably from eating a chocolate chip cookie. And this one's coming back too. I won't be touching those craps anymore because my skin is looking amazing. I recently bought some, my hands are ashy because I'm dealing with my face. My hands are clean. I bought some Medicube stuff, and so far I don't really like, I ordered this from Amazon, and this one is vitamin water, vitamin C derivative, and then 2% niacinamide. So the issue is I can't deal with niacinamide. Okay, so the issue I have with these is the niacinamide. My skin doesn't like niacinamide. So what I noticed is that when I use niacinamide on my skin, it's super irritating. I get all these little bumps. And last night I tried to use it. Not even last night. Yesterday I tried to use it. I only use it in the morning. Yesterday I tried to use it with my skincare. And I had to wash it off because I did like a whole thing. And I'll put some of those clips in. I did my turmeric and Indian clay mask. I extracted all my breakouts, all my buildup in my pores, washed my face, did the mask. And before I was going to do the vitamin C, I tried to put this on. And when I tell you I had to take it off immediately, I had to take it off immediately. These just doesn't work well with my skin at all. So I'm going to ask my daughter, because she also used them, are they okay on her skin? If not, then I'm just done with them completely. So I'm about to take my hair down. I'm just gonna put on a bit of lotion because baby I'm ashy. More ash. And I still have to moisturize and put sunscreen on. It looks like it's a gloomy day today. And again, this, I mean, everything was kind of simple getting for her room, but I'm at the point where I'm ordering, I really want to stand so the bed is not showing so much. It's really the controller and the tray on my bed. It's nothing on my bed. I really want to get to the, everything was easy to order. It's just now that I'm down to like the finishing touches, which is the rug. She wants this cute chair, which is easy. The rug has been the hardest. I think rugs are the hardest, period, in any aspect. It is glowing, like literally glowing. I did eat some chocolate chip cookies. Don't do that, because this will happen after doing all those extractions. So I'm gonna take this off. So I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see what it's giving the next day. And so this is what it's giving the next day. That's what it's giving the next day. It's like so gorgeous the next day. I have skincare on, so I have to be careful loosing in it. That's what it's giving the next day. Oh, my skincare. Oh, my skincare. Okay, so let me just brush it out. Okay, so the next day, and so this is why I wear my hair like this. Because when I get up, like literally every hair is in place. Every hair is in place. I'm just brushing it down. Like every hair is in place. I'm gonna go get me some stocking caps today because I need some more. But I love those stocking caps, honey. Like when they tell you they keep every hair in place, they keep every hair in place. Like that. It's no way I'm going back. There's no way I'm going back. Is there anything else? Yes, I do use a scarf on top of it. But every hair, when I wake up, every freaking hair is in place. Like I don't have to use any heat, anything. Just as smooth as possible, you know? Just as smooth as possible. And of course, you know, my edges are fine. I'm not gonna like do the most. I'm just not. Like where we live at, it rains one day here. I live in Miami, for everybody. You know, I live in Miami, so of course for a video I can do it, but the way the weather is here and I'm just doing a lot, one day it's raining, one day it's hot. So it's either gonna be humid or you're gonna be wet. And so that's a disaster for your edges and your hair, period. So I love the way my hair turned out. I don't know if I wanna put on a headband. I'm wearing beige, but I don't have a beige headband. Hold on. And I did have someone ask me about layering and cutting. Okay, so I'll do that, but I'll be doing that when I'm done with this hair. Like I'm getting close to the end. That'll be an upcoming video for you guys. Probably do it. That won't be close to the end though, because I'll be wearing this hair for, I got my hair done in March, April, May. Yeah, that'll be like the end of May, right before summer. Because I think I'm getting plaits. I'm gonna get plaits in the summer. I like my hair like this. I don't know, I have all this hair sticking out. Don't need any hair sticking out. I don't need any hairs sticking out because, again, we don't have the weather for that here. I will be bringing you guys along so you can see the update to the room makeover. So this will be maybe the entry for that. I will be bringing you guys along for that. That'll be separate from this. And then also I will be doing like a beauty desk for myself, you know, just to revamp that area, get me more motivated to actually shoot more content. So I'll be doing that as well. I'm talking low because he's in the first room, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like on a daily, and I love it because it's just so convenient. It's just so easy. And then I love these sets as well. This is what it totally looks like from the back. I don't know what it looks like from the back, but I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine, so. So yeah, you have to wear your sunscreen. Like if nothing else, you have to wear sunscreen. Like sunscreen will like keep your skin from getting those dark marks. Like you're gonna get them. Like if you have a breakout, you're gonna get them. But the sunscreen is gonna like help you eliminate them faster, especially if you're using faded on your skin. Is it time to go? You gonna be downstairs? Okay, I'm coming right now. Okay, so we're leaving. We're going to Home Depot. Yeah. Love you guys. Just had to pop back in and do that. I may put that in the front because that's the most important part of skincare is the sunscreen. It's giving I need that lip oil. But you know what I'm going to use? Carmex. I don't want to open the lip oil. I just got it. I need to go back and get another one. They're having a sale. It ends this week, so I think I'm gonna run back to Macy's and get another one because they're having the 15% off on. They're 15% off, so I'm gonna run and get another lip oil so I can have one for my bag. That'll be this video. So see you guys in the next one.